Well, here I am putting a hole in the side of a perfectly good bus. I hate to do it, but I kind of have to for more drainage. All right, got through the pilot hole. Comes next hole. And look at that. You can not really see it, but you can see outside. Oh. Where's the light coming in? Oh, see outside? But that's for the new drain. We had 4 holes in the bus already for the old drain spots. Let's go see what it looks like with the hole. That's the old one. That's the new one. Yikes. But it should drain good now. Take a walk upstairs. See, these all drain now to the side of the bus, the outside of the bus.